Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable power station that this man sent to me for this video. I hope you can't catch too much of the people on kind of like landscaping, lawnmowers, and things like that because they're pretty loud. But today I want to show you this one, which has a 300 watts and also 288 watts an hour, and also an AC volt is going to be 110 volts. So that is actually a good one for just camping, hiking, fishing, just going on a road trip or something like that, even just having it in your house charged at all times in case of a power outage. So this one comes with the cable that's going to be the one that you're going to use for charging. Sorry about the lawnmower again, but this one you're going to use is for charging. And once that this one is charged, you're going to see that comes with a few things that I really like, but also it is heavy, not super heavy, but heavy enough that actually this one translates into good quality as well. So this one is on right now. I just put it right here so you can see how this one shows how much battery you have left, how much is charging if you're charging, if you have the DC in, if you have the light, the USB out or the AC out. And the reason why it's saying light is because this one right here also comes with a flashlight and an SOS sign. So that is really good again for things like camping. But then let me show you the ports a little bit closer. So what we have this one over here, what you're gonna find? You're gonna find not one or two, but four USB-A out that all these are gonna give you fast charging as well. You're also gonna find a type C1 over here and a type C2 over here. So you have two USB-C ports. You also have a 12-volt pot over here, input over here, and you have the out over here as well. With this one, you're going to turn on and off the unit, and with this one, you're going to turn on and off the USBs, and you also going to turn on and off the LED switch, so you have also the flashlight over there in the back, remember. But this one is the one that is going to turn on. Right here, you're going to find the 12th one, which is going to be really good for your car in case that you want to charge this one on the go with the cable that goes on the car. And then you're also going to find the two AC outlets over there. So a really good one also for like an outage or emergency, those things like that. But check this out. This one is not connected to the USB-A. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the USB-A switch, and you're going to see that this one is charging right away. You can see that this one is charging at 40%. So that's going to charge your device. It's going to charge your tablets. It's going to charge your computer. You can have the AC outlets. You have a flashlight. You have a display, USB-A, USB-Cs, and a handle for taking it with you on a road trip or a camping, hiking, and fishing. I do like this power station. Compact but powerful.